I wanted to show you really quickly how to create these drag and drop Post-it notes for students to maybe answer some informal questions. But if you notice, they can drag and drop a Post-it note and then make a response. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a new slide and I go here to Insert, Image, Search the Web. Then I'm going to search for Post-it note, and I like to do transparent background so that it causes the least amount of overlap and you can see is most of the background. Then you're just going to scroll through and find one you want. There was that purple one from the previous slide. There's, orange, blue, whatever one you want, drag it in. Then resize it to the appropriate size that fits your slide. I like to go ahead and add in a text box, depending on the age level of your students, obviously. It might be appropriate, it might not. You can go ahead and adjust the size of your text ahead of time. Then what I like to do is highlight both items, the Post-it note and the text box, right click or two-finger click on a Chromebook and hit group. That way, when I go to move this, the text and the Post-it note come with it. I'm going to hit Control and D for duplicate and duplicate that a bunch of times for my students. If you noticed in this one, you are dragging and dropping and it looks like it's infinite. What they do is they just line it up on top of each other using those hash marks and they duplicate it a bunch of times. So either way is fine. I like to do it, just leave it the duplicate because kids can see that there's multiple ones there and they just grab and move it. So here when they grab and move, the text came with them. They can double click in the text box and type the response. I hope this helps make your slides more interactive and it's a fun feature for you to use.